Hey future product manager, AI is here, and you're looking for your dream product role. You've memorized the frameworks, watched the videos, created cheat sheets, and ChatGPT'd your answers. You know that AI is changing hiring, so there's still that quiet doubt. Am I actually ready? Or am I just hoping that today is a good interview day? Do you worry AI will outpace your skills? Maybe you freeze when you think about product sense. Maybe you hope for a eureka moment when segmenting users because there's no predictable strategy. Maybe you think you did well in interviews, but that rejection letter still comes. Or sometimes the hardest thought of them all, what if I'm just not cut out for top tech? I'm Balaji, and I felt every one of those fears. And from that same place, I've earned offers from top Silicon Valley tech companies, including places like Microsoft and Meta. Over my career, I've gone from a clueless college student to clueless intern to a software engineer, entry-level product manager, all the way to a staff PM with job offers over $700,000. My goal is not to flex some big dollar number, but to help you with content I wish I had access to make your path easier. I've helped candidates land 700K plus roles they once believed were out of reach, not through superficial frameworks, but by rewiring how we think. Here's the truth. PM interviews are not won by memorizing frameworks. They're won by thinking like a product manager companies cannot replace. This channel exists for one mission: to transform you into that product manager. Here you'll learn the real art of product management, how to think about product sense that rises above templates and frameworks, how to perform user segmentation in a way that's meaningful, works every time, and does not rely on luck, how to logically understand what North Star metric you should measure for any product, how to do real root cause analyses, not just some internal-external checklist, how to turn behavioral interviews, which is such an overlooked component, into your competitive advantage so that you avoid getting down-leveled and get the highest salary possible, and how to keep pace and evolve with vibe coding and AI. And most importantly, how to do these predictably, not just rely on luck. So this is not a channel about shortcuts. It's a channel about skill building, real product skill, real decision-making, real confidence. Things no AI, no downturn, and no competitive candidate can take away from you. So if you're ready to stop memorizing frameworks and finally become the product manager you know you can be, hit subscribe and welcome in.